It's me, Joey B, and it's been a while, guys. So, last time I post my vlog is nung sa Balabu pa. Part 1 pa lang yun, guys, but meron yung part 2. And today, we'll be having an unboxing episode. So, may nabili akong portable speaker from the 66 Bounce Back promo ng Lazada last June 6. So, this speaker is the Jbl Pulse 4. So, let's unbox. Guys, let's go! Back to my channel, guys. So it's an unboxing episode, so we'll be unboxing my new portable speaker, which is the Jbl Pulse 4. So nabili ko siya, guys, sa flagship store ng Lazada, ng Jbl flagship store sa Lazada nung 66 Bounce Back promo. So its price was 10,999, then yung promo na siya is 8,999. So, kahapon siya dumating. So, let's unbox na. So, this is the box from Lazada. And, meron siya mga bubble wrap. So, it's plus point ito, guys. Kasi, maganda yung pagka-package. And then, chinek ko siya kagabi. Chinek ko kung Pulse 4 ba talaga yung napadala. Kasi may mga, may mga review sila na minsan mali yung item na napadala. So, Pulse 4 yung in order, but charge 4 yung dumating. So, fortunately, luckily, so okay naman. Yung Pulse 4 naman yung napadala nila. So this is the Jbl Pulse 4, guys. And we're gonna unbox. So guys, let's start the unboxing na. So this is the Jbl Pulse 4. So first impression is yung packaging niya is maganda. So yung carton is hard. So it's legit talaga siya, guys. Hindi siya yung fake. So this Jbl Pulse 4 is meron siyang 12 hours of playtime, may 360 degree na light show and sound, at IPX7 waterproof na siya, guys. And also party boost. So let's unbox na. Inside the box is, wow. So maganda yung packaging. Meron siyang foam dito. So see, sound you can see. O, diba? Then inside is the Jbl Pulse 4 mismo, wrapped with foam. So yung binili ko, guys, is white yung binili ko. So supposedly gusto ko yung black, kaso wala na silang stock. So yung naiwan na lang is yung white na Jbl Pulse 4 na lang. So yung mismong Jbl. So maganda siya, guys. It's glass. See? Then yung ibang nasa box, I think it's this. It's Paperworks. It's a quick start guide of the Pulse 4. So it's a manual thingy. And then we have I think it's a charger for the portable speaker. And I think that's it lang. that's it. So only inside the box is the wire, the cable for charging, and the manual or the paperwork, and our Jbl Pulse for white. So maganda yung packaging, guys. All in all, it's very hard, so you can keep it. So magandang i-keep mo, and parang box niya na lang talaga. So that's all, guys. Inside the box, recap. Inside the box is the Jbl Pulse 4 mismo. Then we have the manual and the cable, charging cable. So that's it, guys. Welcome back to my channel, guys. So yun na nga yung unboxing, guys. Yun is yung Jbl Pulse 4 tsaka yung charging cable at saka yung quick start guide. So ito yung Jbl Pulse 4, bali ito yung on niya, on off niya, tapos ito yung, this is the on off, then this is the Bluetooth, this is the party boost, and this one is yung lights. So meron siyang app na JBL Connect, just to kung gusto mong may light show kasi siya, guys. So meron na siyang parang sequence or something on sa lights. So this is for the volume, then this is for the pause and play. So we're gonna start. We're gonna test this one. So I'll be using my other phone since my iPhone. I'm using my iPhone for this vlog. Dilim ko muna konti yung kwarto para maano natin yung lights. So let's on this one. That's it. And let's connect it to Bluetooth. I'll be pressing the Bluetooth button. And this is the Jbl Pulse 4. Just have to connect it. Connected. So that's the light. So maganda talaga siya yung lights. And let's play a song. I have one, BTS. So guys, pag tinower mo yung volume, so maglo-load din yung lights niya. Like that. And then if we increase the volume. That's it for my unboxing today. And thank you for watching my video. Continue to subscribe my channel. It's me, Joey B. And thank you and God bless. Bye-bye.